Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make a candy lobster. To begin, gather your essential supplies. You will need a length of fishing line, approximately 2 feet long, along with a pair of sharp scissors. For the beads, prepare around 50 red pony beads for the body and 2 black pony beads to create the eyes. Having everything ready makes the crafting process much smoother and more enjoyable. Now, let's construct the main body of your lobster. Begin by stringing 4 red pony beads onto the center of your 2-foot fishing line. Next, take both ends of the line and cross them through a 5th red bead, pulling it tight to form a small circle. Continue this technique, adding rows of beads and gradually increasing the bead count to widen the body. Aim for a total of 5 rows to form the robust main section. With the body taking shape, it's time to add the distinctive claws and tail. For each claw, string 5 red pony beads onto one side of the fishing line, then loop it back into the body to secure it. Repeat this for the second claw. For the tail, string beads in a decreasing pattern, starting wider and tapering down. This creates a natural, segmented look, ending with a single bead at the very tip. To complete your adorable candy lobster, let's add the final touches. Carefully attach 2 black pony beads near the front of the body to serve as the eyes, giving your lobster character. Once all parts are assembled, secure every loose end by tying several very tight knots. This ensures durability. Finally, trim any excess fishing line close to the knots. Your unique handmade candy lobster is now finished and ready to be admired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.